How to change your car engine oil. The engine is the heart of the vehicle, and engine oil helps to extend engine life and maintain performance. So, proper oil maintenance is a must. Here's what you'll need: engine oil, an oil filter, an air filter, a wrench and socket set, gloves, wipes, a funnel, a drain pan for oil disposal, a car jack, and jack stands. Start the car to warm up the engine, and be sure to install a safety device when lifting a car. Check your vehicle's manual and make sure you have the right engine oil and filter. Place the car jack under the car and slowly lift the vehicle. After the vehicle is fully lifted, install the jack stands and secure it in place. Once the jack stands are securely installed, remove the car jack. Remove the oil cap from the oil tank, then place a drain pan under the vehicle to collect the used oil. This is the oil tank under the vehicle. Position the oil lift drain found at the repair shop. Carefully loosen the bolt on the oil tank located underneath the vehicle and wait for the used oil to drain. Completely draining the engine oil takes about 30 to 45 minutes. So, it's a good idea to factor in a coffee break. After the used oil is completely drained, tighten the bolt to close the oil tank. Be careful not to over-tighten the bolt. Now, it's time to replace the oil filter. Rotate the bolt counterclockwise, remove the old oil filter, and replace it with a new filter. Using a funnel, top up fresh engine oil into the oil tank. Remember, changing engine oil can make a big difference for your engine's performance and fuel efficiency. Next, give the new oil a minute or two to settle in. Make the most of this time by replacing the cabin air filter. With the recent increase in particle pollution, it's important to change your air filter regularly. To finish off, push the clean dipstick back in, then take it out again to inspect the engine oil level. Then, place the dipstick and oil cap back into place. Start the car to warm up the engine for a minute or two. Recheck the dipstick to make sure it's at the proper level. Change your oil regularly. Kixx.